Welcome to yet another tutorial video of La School. In this video, we will be looking at how to use calendars and different features of La School calendar. So I am logged in here. Now if I click in calendar, you can see there is a personal calendar and there are group calendars. By default, all the calendars are checked in. So if I'm a member of La School Jobs calendar will be displayed in this group calendar section. Now since all these calendars are marked, I will be receiving notifications related to all these deadlines. So these are job posts listed in La School Jobs space. So all these agenda will be listed in my calendar. So this is the central calendar repository where you can access all the calendar information in one click. You can also go to individual space. Let me go to La School Jobs and click Agenda. Agenda is the calendar of La School Jobs space. Now you can see the agendas or deadlines of La School Jobs listed in La School Jobs. You can see deadlines daily wise, weekly wise and month wise. So for October, these are the deadlines for applying for different job posts. You click here, you can change the month to November and so on. Similarly, each space will have its own agenda. So that is all about La School calendars. If you want to add new tasks into your personal calendar, so this is your personal calendar. Any new entry you make will be added to your personal calendar. So if I have to add something for November 12th, you can directly click on November 12th, date where you want to enter an event, and title can say paper submission So if you can even give time, date, etc. Calendar, it's my personal calendar. You can even give event calendar, event category. So let me click 10 AM to 11 AM or 1 PM. So this entry will be added to my personal calendar and I will be getting a notification when the deadline arrives. Also, I can just go to my personal calendar and look at all the entries over here. See, November 12th, paper submission. If I deselect all the other entries, I can just see my personal calendar. So we saw how we added November 12th entry. So that will be shown over here. If you deselect this will be removed as well. And in the right side you can see all the deadlines of all the deadlines in all the calendar or even events in all your calendar listed like this. You can navigate by clicking these arrow buttons. You can even change the settings over here by clicking the gear icon, and you can remove any one of them. Like if I remove these entries, those won't be displayed. So these are the entries from La School Jobs. Let me try removing La School Jobs from here. Okay. Now no events are listed in any other space, so nothing is displayed over here. If I have to, let's try November 12th. Let's see if the entry we marked is there. See, paper submission 10 AM to 1 PM. If I click here, it takes me directly to that entry, jurisprudence paper submission. I can go back to home. Let's go back to home. Now let's try adding La School Jobs calendar back to this list. Just click add over here, click OK, and it's back. So that's how you use calendars.